Welcome to Bearish. We're not financial professionals, and this is not financial investment advice. Enjoy the episode.
Who got
What's
in
on the
Doge?
agenda?
I sold it for a loss a long time ago.
What?
How did you sell it for a loss, Logan? What?
Because it
A
dropped
while
back
ago.
down.
Yeah.
What is it at?
Oh, he's talking a while ago.
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
you meant.
we were
all
I'm
doged
talking
up a while ago.
No. Yeah, it was
We're
a while
doged
ago.
up.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is called paper hands.
Yeah, well, I did the same thing, and then I bought it 2 nights ago and fell asleep, and then sold it.
What'd you make?
$50.
Love that.
Then
Love
I was
that
like,
next. Fantastic.
Hi, I'm Logan. I also lost my money on Doge.
Doge also fucked me.
Mike, are you in Doge?
Oh, absolutely.
God.
You've been in Doge for a minute, haven't you?
No, I got in the same time you did, Max, except I didn't sell
What do you
when
want?
it
Mike?
exploded. Let's see.
Oh God.
What's the
Cool
2.
80% increase. So I'm good.
Tell us the dollar amount.
That's hovering around 780.
On fucking Doge.
I
That
just.
blows my mind.
It's even
I
better.
look at
ETC.
Fuck it,
even
I'm buying it
higher.
right now.
Don't do
Yeah,
that.
after
Don't.
After this ends, I'm buying it,
Be careful.
and I'm holding.
Dylan said the price point of 20.
Did you not see ETC? He's right. Or at least very
Is that
close
what
to
it's
being
at?
right. It's like
You know what's
$32
annoying? You know what's
now.
annoying? Listen, Dylan wants an apology, but that dude was talking about a swing trade. Okay, you don't do a swing trade for 3 months. Okay, so Dylan.
I was
suck a
actually
dick.
thinking the same thing.
Yeah.
Because I was like, he was like, buy it right now, it's going up. And
and it immediately dropped.
it did in 3 months. Something like that.
Yeah. So Dylan,
his
you can
IVR
still-
calls are still hanging in there, though. Hell no.
I'm down a cool
Fuck you,
80%.
Dylan. Come at me again.
I'm down 3 hundo.
Can we just clip
You're
that? and
down
send it straight
3
to him?
undo, Logan.
Dude, the contract was like 360, and I'm down 80%.
Hey, you might as well just hold on. It's fucking 80%.
Right. At
Maybe
this
they'll-
You only got
point,
20% to
at
go.
this point, I'm just holding on.
God,
by
Maybe
a
their
thread.
next,
He-
maybe their next financial report, they'll fucking skyrocket. You don't know. Who knows?
Yeah.
That's always the hope, right?
Yeah, but with Doge and Ethereum, well, it's actually every other crypto. It's because of Coinbase, I think. Isn't it because of Coinbase going public?
Why don't you
That's what I
explain to the viewers what Coinbase is, Jared?
Coinbase is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. You can buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. And that's why I was asking you guys, I was like, isn't it a little weird that there's an exchange listed on another exchange now? Doesn't that just sound weird?
That does
I
sound
don't really
weird.
know
It's
how that
just
works.
like,
I mean, it's a different
just
type
like-
of currency,
Oh.
so it sounds like it's called for.
I mean, I guess, yeah.
It keeps coming back to the question of what exactly are you buying with crypto? Because they're not actually giving you anything, or, you know what I'm saying, like a business would.
I've been
So it's
asking
like-
that for a while.
That's
Yeah.
going to relay on Coinbase. Like, what is that really bringing to the table?
Well, no.
But I do like it, though. I'm not
No,
saying
Max,
against it.
Coinbase makes money because people trade crypto. So Coinbase takes a fee, obviously. So they're actually making money. So they're a business. That makes
so
sense.
they are a business then.
Yeah.
Oh,
That makes
then
sense.
I like them.
Yes.
I like them a lot.
That makes sense. However, like you said, when you buy crypto, you're just hoping someone else pays more than what you did.
I mean, it's
'Cause,
like
like-
NFTs, and people are freaking about NFTs.
Yeah, but
so.
yeah, exactly. With like what exactly is like what's the underlying value of a cryptocurrency?
I don't know. Whatever you want it to be. Whatever
Yeah.
people are feeling.
Speaking of cryptocurrency, Dogecoin.
To the moon. Elon really just does
All
do
the
his
way.
own thing.
Yeah.
Why, did he send another tweet?
He's
He does
been
it,
doing
like,
tweets,
regularly.
Mike.
I haven't been watching.
Yeah, he does a about weekly tweet about Doge at least.
Yeah, I'd say a couple times a week.
Yeah.
Just, you
So
know,
what? It was at what 6 cents yesterday, last night,
That's actually
and then
kinda crazy.
and then it went up to 18 cents today.
19. Tickled 19 and then came down a little bit.
19.4.
A little tickle.
Almost 20 cents.
Almost a quarter. Wow.
Wow.
That's a nickel. But yeah.
It's a lot.
What,
I mean,
Max?
that's 4 nickels. It's not a quarter.
I said almost a quarter, you
Oh,
freak.
I thought you said it's a quarter. I was like, it's not quite. I swear, I thought you just said it was a quarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not.
Crypto in general is kind of just
It's a nickel
shooting off.
short.
It's really not just.
Oh yeah,
Doge.
the Coinbase IPO looks like it.
Oh, whoa.
really-
Wasn't an IPO, Mike. It was a DPO.
Oh, my bad.
Direct.
The DPO really escalated a lot of crypto prices, so probably not
Yeah.
a surprise that everything's
Yeah, but
shooting up.
isn't that weird? Isn't that weird though? Because Coinbase has done nothing but go straight down since it was listed.
Really?
It still means it's becoming part of the mainstream. So there is this feeling that there is a whole company that literally allows you to trade crypto and it's going public and they're letting people invest in it. It signals to the market that hey, this might be becoming mainstream pretty soon.
Yeah. So Coinbase was supposed to open up at 250, and it opened up at 380.
Yeah,
And I
that's
put
what
out-
I don't get it.
I
don't
put-
get that.
I think it's just the
Initial
investment.
interest.
Yeah, no, it's like the investment. Yeah, Logan, kinda. It's the investment bank that they're going through, selling it to institutions. And if the institution is like, I'll buy it for 270, and another one's like, I'll buy it for 280, and then it just keeps going up and up and up. By the time it's publicly listed, it's at 380. And I put something on our Instagram story. Where do we? Because I thought it was going to open at 250. Silly me. I put it where is it going to be, or where is it going to end the day? 250 to 270 or 280 to 300? And we were both wrong. They were all wrong. None of the
They're like
above.
340 or something like that. It closed.
Well,
yesterday.
it peaked. So it opened at 380, I believe, and then it peaked at
420.
424. Yeah, 424, and then it just after that straight down, and it ended. It went all the way down to 310 the same day, and then I think it ended around 320,
That's nuts.
and then today it ended at I think like 324, 326, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah. And Jim Cramer put a tweet out, was like, we like Coinbase at 475, and someone in the comments was like, yeah, no shit, if you got it at 250, of course you'd want it at 475.
He said that?
Yeah, he was like, we like Coinbase at 475, and someone was like, well, yeah, no shit, of course you do, Jim.
Yeah, honestly.
But yeah,
Just moving it up there.
but I think that investing in Coinbase makes more sense to me than investing in just a regular crypto, right? Wouldn't it make more sense? Because at
It's
least
almost like
that's
the
a business
crypto
that profits
market
off of it.
as a whole, in a way.
Yeah, right. So it's like an index
Yeah.
fund for crypto, maybe. There you go.
And
Kind
it's
of,
a
yeah.
business
Oh,
bank.
that'd be interesting. There's nothing like that, is there?
I don't think so.
No, yeah.
But there's multiple
Can't think of
crypto exchanges. I don't think they're the only one.
No.
But they're the
I think,
largest.
Max, you said there was another one. What was it called?
I've only known about Coinbase.
Oh, okay. I thought you said there was another one that might have been publicly listed.
Oh, that's a totally different thing. And
Oh,
it's,
yeah.
yeah, it's a totally different thing. I was talking about Trade Desk. That's not even
Crypto
an exchange
exchanges.
platform.
Let's see other crypto exchanges. eToro, I've heard of that one. BlockFi, Binance, I've heard of those.
I like that one.
eToro is best for beginners, so let's just call that the Robinhood. BlockFi is best for earning interest on deposits, so whatever. Binance is best for trading altcoins. What's an altcoin? Is that
So,
like
whatever.
is that like anything other than Bitcoin?
Yes.
Yeah, all coins are, yeah.
Okay.
Like Doge.
Yeah, literally.
By the way, I looked at like the Coinbase description on the App Store because I was just curious, and it said that it said the supported currencies on the app are like it listed only like 5 or 6, and I don't know if that means that it's only 5 or 6 cryptocurrencies total, or one of those listed is like a group of cryptocurrencies. Because there are like the knockoffs, right? There's like Bitcoin. There's Bitcoin. There's Litecoin, Ethereum. Those are like the big guys. There's Bitcoin and then a few of the altcoins. But then there's like a lot more than that. Have you guys seen?
Bitcoin
Yeah,
Cash.
there's a ton.
I think there's
Yeah.
thousands of them. We did an episode
Yeah.
on this and we don't even remember, guys.
I
What's
thought
going
you
on?
could make your own. Am I wrong?
You
How many
can.
cryptocurrencies are there?
Yeah.
Let's see. There are over 4,000 cryptos as of early 2021. And how many cryptocurrencies can you trade on Coinbase? 50. So you're right, Mike. Only
It's not that
only
many.
a fraction. No, not at all. I wonder why.
I just feel like after you get past like 50, it's like who's really
Yeah, like who the fuck cares?
trading these. I feel like those are the ones that people just move massive amounts of money in, just rich people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just wait.
Just manipulate it.
What's
Yeah.
What's
I don't really know.
funny is that I think the reason we think about it like this is because like when we think about a stock, I mean every stock has a really unique company behind it, right? They do something different. They're in some different sector. But when you look at a cryptocurrency, it's like they're all mostly the same. They're all a coin. They're a form of currency. So they're not too different. It's like, would you want to own a U.S. dollar or a what is it even called? The French franc, I think they still use, or they use euros. Like it's more like that than it is investing in a unique company. So it doesn't feel like each crypto has its own unique features that you would benefit more from than the other. Versus, it's rather just its overall value compared to each
And
other.
on top of that, it's like who's taking Doge as a like at a store? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Versus, like,
Well, a few people.
People are. There's
taking
yeah,
Doge?
dude. The
hell
Dallas
people doing?
Mavericks are allowing people to buy like merchandise in Doge. Mark Cuban tweeted about it. He goes,
No
"Yeah, bro."
way.
I swear to God."
I'll take it.
But like even Dylan said, because I said it's fucking Doge, and he got mad at that. He was like, "Just wait in a couple of years, you'll be able to buy stuff in Doge." And I'm like, "Yeah, but you can buy stuff in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash and any other currency. So why is like I don't
Right.
understand. I don't know."
That's what I don't understand is where's the future for these altcoins that aren't Bitcoin, and why would we use them over Bitcoin? Like I don't
They're
get it.
cheaper.
I feel it's like this. I feel like Bitcoin's like paper dollars, and then these altcoins are like quarters, nickels, and dimes and pennies. Like we don't really use those. They're there, sure, but like who uses them?
Right.
I
It's
think
afford-
I mean that's what I feel.
I think affordability is a huge thing because no one can afford, like, you can barely afford Bitcoin at this point.
I mean, you
And-
don't buy a whole Bitcoin. Like $100
You
of
can do fractionals.
American cash is $100 of Bitcoin. Like it's the same amount.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Well, no,
But it's
Mike.
a-
He's saying.
Yeah, I'm
Explain
saying
it
you can
better
buy
for
a
me.
fractional. You can buy a
Like
fractional.
yeah, like you can pay $100 of cash to get $100 worth of Bitcoin.
Right.
You see what I
Yeah,
mean?
so would we
it's
be
not like the
paying-
value's different.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. It's just that
Imagine-
everything would have like a decimal price on it because
Right,
Bitcoin is
exactly.
so
Zero
so valuable.
0.0001 Bitcoin for a bottle of Coke. Like,
Right.
Right.
It's probably just more appealing to look and buy $100 of Doge and see that you have 1,000 versus buying $100 of Bitcoin and seeing you got 0.00 whatever. Because I like 1,000 better, even though it's the same damn thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I just think it's
Which is
weird
how you
because
look at
even when we talked about the other in the other episode, BitClout, even that makes more sense to me than just buying a cryptocurrency, because you're investing in someone, right? That's the business. Logan Paul or Elon Musk is the business, and you're investing on his likeness, what he's gonna do in the future. I just don't. I mean, I'm not trying to fucking say crypto's stupid because I mean it is the future for sure, but I just don't. I guess I don't fully understand it. I guess like I don't understand where
yeah.
the value comes from.
Probably
I
because
don't either.
we don't do forex. We don't trade other currencies besides
Yeah.
crypto. Probably.
Yeah, I
And-
guess it is just another form. Yeah, you're right. It's just another form of currency.
So we do stocks and stuff, but if you think about like what is that thing called foreign exchange where you try to swing money based on the value of the dollar versus other currencies? Literally, that's the same thing as you would do like trading cryptos, except cryptos are highly way more volatile, and you could probably make more.
Yeah, I think the Coinbase CEO also said that he's expecting crypto to become regulated somewhat.
Yeah.
So
It's got to be. We've
it
mentioned
has
it
to
before.
be right.
We've mentioned it before. Like you have 6 cents of Doge, and then in the morning, all of a sudden, you have 19. Yeah, like that's awesome, but like, how do you just
Right.
go to bed and just wake up with? It's like having $100 in my bank account, and then all of a sudden, I'm like, oh, I got $1,000.
There's just a lot of aspects about it in general that I don't get. Like
Yeah.
So say we buy $100 of Bitcoin, like we're saying, on Robinhood, right?
Mm-hmm.
How would we actually use that Bitcoin? Because all we can actually do on Robinhood is just buy and sell it. It's not like we can use it.
That's where the
That's
wallet.
what I'm confused about.
That's
The
where
wallet.
the wallet comes into play. So at the moment, Robinhood doesn't have this sort of feature where you can actually manage and pay for things with your
Okay.
Bitcoin, because in order to
Okay.
do that, you need a wallet. Coinbase has a wallet, so whenever you buy the Bitcoin, it actually lets you spend it through whatever vendor or whatever entity you want to pay for something, for some good or service, and they'll execute the transaction for you.
Right.
Okay.
But Robinhood
No, I
is working on
agree.
that. Robinhood is working on that as a feature, so it's coming.
I agree regulation is needed, though, because people are accepting payments in Bitcoin, and it's way too, I don't know, fluctuating for anyone to actually base currency off of it.
No currency can do that, man. That's
No.
just
Yeah, it's,
Not one that's used widely and
Right.
every single day, because then it
And
fluctuates way too much, and then it almost becomes impossible to
Price
pay for
things.
things and to keep
Yeah.
value like sort of solidified in your mind, because the value will be changing so much that you don't understand, like one day you could afford something and the next day you couldn't. Like, that's not how you should live life. That's not how you
Yeah.
you have to change the value of like what you're buying. Like, it just depends on it. Like, because if you buy like a gallon of milk for today, it's $4, but then you're like, oh, if I wait till Wednesday, it'll be $2. It's like, you know?
Yeah,
But then
you're
you
like,
also
you're reading,
lose
you're
money.
reading the Bitcoin chart. You're doing a technical analysis. You're like,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go grocery shopping today.
Nope, not today. Have you seen the chart? Are you
Everyone has to do technical analysis on their currency
Thing is
before they go
about
shopping.
to dip. It's about to dip. Don't go shopping.
Before you buy anything, you're just sitting there.
What's crazy is
Graph.
there's been like swings in time periods of hours where it's dropped massive amounts. Imagine you're like going to buy a Tesla and your Bitcoin's worth 60K, and then you're like, oh, I'll wait a couple hours, and then you're like, oh, it's only worth 40K. No, okay.
I can't afford my
You're like
Tesla
signing the
now.
contract. They're like, all right, pay it over, and you're like,
Your
yeah, I'm
cards
actually
are fine.
20 grand short now. Sorry.
right. Would you take
Yeah, like-
40K?
Yeah, just wait. I'll come back in a month. We'll see how it looks in a month.
Wait till it recovers. Keep that Tesla. Corner for me.
Oh,
Nice one.
Oh shit.
But it's exciting. Nonetheless, it's exciting to see
Yeah.
Coinbase come out and DPO, not IPO, but nonetheless become mainstream and start to become mainstream, so people actually take crypto more seriously. And I hope they do, because it's a fantastic technology, and I think it'll be really interesting to see how it plays out. I'm especially excited because I
For
I
sure.
think
yeah.
it could simplify finance in a lot of ways and make it more efficient. A lot of problems,
Now-
nonetheless, but it has a lot of upside to it.
I'm almost transitioning over to what we're gonna do next, but not really, but like kind of. Is there a price point at which you guys will buy Coinbase?
Yeah, I don't have one. I think once it's... I don't have one. No, the thing is, once we get into the next segment, you'll understand why I said that. But, yeah, I would.
Like,
I just
okay,
think
okay. What would
it
it
should
be
level
though?
out
Like,
right now. But nobody knows what it's valued at right
exactly.
now. That's what I'm
Exactly.
saying. So I would give it like a couple months to, or like maybe even more than months to kind of level out, find its price.
What
And
if it
then
just
you
keeps
can
going
kind
up
of value
though?
it. Well then, fuck me, I missed the boat. You know.
Mr. Train.
Yeah,
Like,
it's gonna
I'm
sail
just
away.
trying to think. If it went to, I think if it went to 250, I think I'd buy it. I don't think it will, but if it went to 250, I'd buy it because that's where it was supposed to IPO at. So if it went back there, I'd be
Right.
like, well, shit. Might
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Not bad. 2 shares of that wouldn't be too bad.
No.
It does look like a good company though. Like
Yeah. Its price target is already at 500 on some analyst
get
chart.
outta here. Where did people
Jeez.
just pull that out of their ass?
Honestly,
Well,
there's
I'm
no way
sure-
they could do that.
They
I'm
got
sure
money in
they,
it, obviously.
yeah, exactly. I'm sure they own a bit. Or
Oh,
they're,
it's about $1,000. Oh, let me
I feel like is
Right.
that not market manipulation? I've always
That's-
thought that about the Kramer show as well. He could buy a stock and then be like, you know what, I see
Exactly.
really good things in this stock.
right
Actually,
with his
isn't-
tweet. With his
Isn't
tweet.
he not allowed?
No, he doesn't give a fuck.
He does
He'll
it
say
all the
whatever he
time,
wants. Yeah.
Okay.
Like he owns Coinbase. He's like, yeah, we like Coinbase at 475. Oh, motherfucker, you own Coinbase. Like, of course you like it at 475.
You know, he probably has millions of dollars
Yeah.
invested in it too.
Yeah, I want eBay at $2,000. Like, thanks. Like,
He
no
has
shit.
he has enough money and enough influence where he could change things by like small percentages, but with the amount of money he has, he could
Exactly.
make just dough off of it.
A 1%
Yeah.
change, like in the actual price, is monumental for him.
Right. Yeah. And all he has to do is send out a tweet and buy the stock. Like, it's that easy.
Let me actually look this up. Are analysts allowed to own shares of stocks that they grade? Because it would make sense if they weren't allowed to.
The thing is, he like talks about how about like the random ones when people call in. They're like, "What do you think about this?" Like he'd almost virtually be able to not own a single stock. You know what I'm saying? Because the amount that he talks about, he talks about
And
so many so often.
That would be going against like freedom of speech. Because what about YouTubers who do the exact same thing? He's
Well,
basically just He's basically just a YouTube host essentially, just
Different
sharing his
platform, but
opinion
same
on
idea.
things. Right. Just sharing his opinion.
Well, I think the reason we can is because we're not like a financial expert or whatever. Maybe he can because he claims himself as not like this is not financial advice type shit. You know?
Right.
Because there is like once you become like I don't know the exact title, but like you work at like a hedge fund, like I don't think you're allowed to say specific things to the public because it's considered market manipulation. But
Yeah,
I don't
you
know how
have
get
to
around
like
that.
you have to like say when you sign up for a brokerage if you know anyone or have contact with anyone who
Right,
works
exactly.
at another hedge fund or something like that.
Yeah, it's a conflict of interest.
Right, because they could have insider info basically.
Exactly. I don't really know how he gets away with it, but obviously he does because he's on TV and he's been on TV for a long time.
Jared, are you looking it up or should we go into
Yeah,
our next?
it's allowed. I mean, people think it might be unethical, but they
It's
do
okay.
it. It says, is there anything wrong with it? Maybe. Is it illegal? No. In fact, it's a very common industry practice. Most firms not only
Yeah, it is.
permit analysts to own stock in companies they cover, some encourage the practice. So, there you go.
CNBC, they do like a bit at the end, like every single day. They're like, "What stock do you like?"
Yeah, they do, and they
like-
own it. Yeah. They
Exactly.
own it, bro.
There's
They
like
do.
every single one of them will go through and just like they get like 10 seconds. They're like, "I like this because blah blah blah." And then
That's
it's on to the
actually
next
funny because I vividly remember we were at your house, Max, and we were watching
Yeah.
with your dad.
And
I
they
think
just
you were
said-
there. I think you were there, Logan, as well. They were going over. I vividly remember it was DocuSign, and I think DocuSign was at $140 when they did it. Next week it was at, or maybe it was next week it was like 180, 190. And I was like, this motherfucker
Yeah.
knew what he was doing.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Just initiate a buy
Exactly.
rating and it skyrockets. You know what I mean? Like it's
Right,
crazy.
exactly. All right, I think
But
that takes
they
us
work-
into our next
Rich
segment.
people. Yeah.
The stock is right.
The music and everything.
Love
I hope that picks up
comes.
nicely.
Yeah, I hope it picks
I
up
know.
well too.
Copyright.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, you
Yeah,
can't
I
play
forgot
Just
it.
about
hum
that.
We should have just.
No,
sang
you
it
can-
with our
you
own
can
Logan,
miss
lead
voices.
us in. Lead us into it, Lo.
All right. What we're gonna be doing is going over everyone's top 3 stocks. We're gonna start with Mike, then go to me, then go to Maxwell, and then Jared.
For
We're
every-
basically
The
gonna
point
be
system,
guessing.
the point- Yeah. We're
Yeah.
gonna
Point
be guessing.
system is 1 point per correct. So we're each gonna hold up a piece of paper showing what we think Mike's top 3 stocks are. We will circle it if it's right, and then total them up at the end.
All right.
Do you have to be correct about positioning, or do you just have to like
No.
guess?
No,
I
it's
didn't do
not- it's not
positioning.
in
I just
any
did
order.
like yeah.
It's not in any order.
Should
All
we
right.
do a maybe like a bonus round of like most hated stock? You know, maybe one that
Yes.
owned you,
One that we hate the
Yeah.
most.
one that's completely just
You know what I just
bent you
realized? I think if we show it to the camera, it shows up backwards.
Yeah, it does.
No.
Wait, do they flip it? Does the actual video flip it for you on Apple?
I think it shows up correctly, guys.
I think yeah. I think
That's
when
what
you
you guys
save
are
it,
saying.
it does. Yeah. It shows up right, Max, on
Shows
this.
up right, Max.
But I
don't
meant
have
to
a
your.
piece of paper. So
I meant on that camera,
He
your
said,
recording
I don't have
camera.
a piece of paper, so. All right.
I'm just gonna have
Well,
to.
the way
name
I'm
them.
looking at it right now, it's backwards. But
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
think when
backwards.
you save it, it flips it to the correct.
okay.
way.
Well, if it doesn't,
Alright,
Mike,
oh
you
well.
can do a little bit of editing and flip it for us.
Can you do a reverse here? Do-do-do-do. Michael,
Okay,
you're
if
up
we have a
first.
tiebreaker, we'll do the most hated stock. We'll do it real quick, okay? And then we'll figure it out. But
Then we
all right,
should
and then we'll
Mike,
do rock
regardless.
paper scissors.
We should just do most hated stock. One that's, boned us,
all right.
Okay,
Mike,
all right.
Mike,
Hey,
I'm
I'll
showing.
I know Logan's, actually.
And mine.
All right,
That may not be
Hey,
fair.
30-second timer starting now. Think of your most hated stock
Hated
for each
stock.
person.
Okay.
For each
okay.
person.
Oh, for
30
each person?
seconds.
Okay, hold on.
Time crunch.
Oh, not our personal or our.
No,
personal
everyone
favorite?
else is bone.
No, yeah,
stock.
you. Okay. I'll give you more time because you got to think about yours as well.
Okay, let me write this down. I know Logan's. Obviously, everyone knows
Actually,
Logan.
that's cheating. Everyone knows Logan's.
Logan, this one, Mike,
All of them. I literally lose money on everything.
Max.
Yeah, Max, I don't know. He said he got boned a few times, but I don't remember what specifically.
Here's a lot.
I could probably type any stock and it might have boned him at one point in time.
Oh, yeah, that boned me last May. Fuck, I don't know. It's tough.
This is a tough
I
one,
know
actually.
Logan's, dude.
Yeah.
These are worth 3, yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
well, everyone knows
no.
mine, so that's a bit unfair.
All right, pick a different one, Logan, because Logan's is obviously. Can we all say
Okay, yeah.
1,
It's
2,
IVR.
3, IVR.
Okay, all right, yeah. I have a different one as well, who's boned me almost 80% as well. So we're good.
Oh, I know which one.
Oh, it's a stock? It's not crypto? Okay.
I don't know it. Have you talked about it?
I just need Jared.
I've talked about it to Max, I believe. So
Oh,
that's,
not fair,
yeah,
is it? Yeah.
insider info.
Yeah.
I still have no clue, so it doesn't really matter.
Wait,
Okay,
if
cool.
it could be either a crypto, then I think I'd repicked yours. Max, I know yours too.
I don't even know mine.
You don't know what yours is? You're supposed to pick one.
I got Logan, mine, and.
Okay, I'm done.
Jared doesn't really get boned by stocks too much because he doesn't trade
He
as
doesn't
often.
even trade.
I invest. Logan.
Is it bad that I'm reading text from the group chat?
Logan.
Yes.
Dude, stop cheating.
Stop
bro.
cheating.
I'm cheating. Okay.
You're
Am I
I'm cheating, but I know it now.
Wait, hold on.
That's
Is it
it.
stocks or can it be crypto? Because Max, I have yours marked down.
It
as
can be
crypto.
crypto.
Don't worry about what mine is. It can be, but don't worry about it.
All right. We'll only do least favorite if there's a tie, yeah?
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Okay.
Okay.
I have one person's written down.
All right.
I know it's written down.
That was hard.
All right, starting with Jared. Give us
Wait, no.
Wait, no, starting
give
with
us
Mike.
Michael's.
It's Mike,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
Mike.
but you got to give us Michael's.
Oh,
Oh.
okay. All right. I'm gonna show the camera. All right, Mike. Ready?
Hey, we can't. How are we gonna know we're not cheating? Hands up. Hands
Behind
in the
your
air.
head.
All right,
Behind your head.
well, Jared, you don't have to do it. You're
Oh, okay.
showing.
Cool. Okay. Mike's top 3. Mike, and you can't show any facial. Turn off your damn camera, Mike. Turn it off. Turn your camera off. 'cause
Wait,
don't
I
want
can't
them
tell
to-
you if you're right or not. We have to wait till the end.
No, everyone has to go through them.
Oh yeah,
at
just
the
wait till
end.
the end. Oh.
Yeah, wait till the end.
Well, then we won't know how the score works. All right, just tell us as he goes, Mike.
No cheating. If you cheat, we don't like you.
Just
Oh, wait,
name them.
should we do?
I have it written down already, so.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
cool,
mine's
cool.
written in this.
Just show the camera. Just show the camera. All right, ready? I'm announcing Mike's. Mike, I have Palantir, Square, and Apple.
Ooh. Okay, I have Apple, Microsoft, and Palantir.
Okay.
I've got Square, Snapchat, and Facebook.
Oh shit. Not Facebook. He doesn't like
I
Facebook.
didn't even think of Facebook.
Mike.
All right,
Nah.
does he say it now?
Yeah, say it, Mike.
Go on,
All
Mike.
3 of you were wrong.
Everyone?
Every one of them?
Yes.
No
I-
way.
Yes.
Mike,
Yes.
those are the only 3 words I've heard come out of your mouth.
I heard you say you love Palantir and nobody knows about the technology yet.
Jared.
And Square, bro. You
When-
were like, yeah, I
when-
love Square. I
Yeah,
love small
Square.
business.
Hey, we all had
Awesome.
Square, right? We all had Square, right?
I didn't have Square.
I had
Oh.
But
okay.
that's not on my list. It's in the lower on the list. But when Jared
All right.
told me if
Let's hear it
something
then.
goes like down to zero now, what would you
I
buy?
shouldn't have said that.
You should have said
No,
that.
it
That
was
changed
it
up
was
my
like
whole
it was like just
game.
imagine you had an unlimited amount of money. What like
Yeah.
companies do you see
Tesla's
being the
in
best
good.
right now? Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So if I had an unlimited amount of money
All right, Mike,
and I
say
had
it.
the foresight, I would have bought like Google, Tesla, and Bitcoin.
God damn it.
God damn it,
this
Mike.
is so much more difficult than I thought it was gonna be.
All right, I'm showing mine to the camera now, so they know.
I got a big goose egg.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
he's
also.
got-
got
Everyone
big
has a
X.
zero.
Everyone has a 0. So I put a,
All right.
big
I
X.
got
Like-
0
Wait,
for
wait, wait,
Michael.
Oh, I thought you were about to say yours. I was like, chill,
This-
Logan.
this
You're
is
fucking ruined the
Logan.
game.
Are we
Max, what the fuck?
Max,
Oh.
don't show this camera. Show your phone camera, bro.
ready? My phone camera's above there, dude.
Okay, all right, whatever. It's
Okay.
good.
I don't know how to
Read
do
it out.
this.
Read it
All right,
out.
Max, announce
look at-
Logan's first.
Hold on, I'm muting myself. Okay, there we go. All right.
You don't. Well, you're gonna say it anyway. Why? Do you,
Dude, I can't
What's
with
the
this
deal?
guy.
Okay,
bro.
I'm back, boys.
I can't.
All right, Logan is United Rentals, Apple, Microsoft. I really didn't know.
Mine was. I
Wait,
can't
wait,
say it
Logan,
yet.
what are you-
Yeah, I can't. Nibble.
Mike, go ahead.
okay, so for Logan's, I put Tesla, Neo, and GME.
Fuck, I forgot about that one.
All right, for Logan, I have Neo, Microsoft, Apple, but I have a couple maybes. Maybe
No, we don't give a shit about
We
it.
don't give a fuck. Okay.
Hey,
The
I'll
maybes
give
don't
you a
count.
chance. I'll give you a
The
chance.
maybes
Look,
don't count.
say them all, and then say at the like very end whether you'd like to switch one of your top 3 out with a maybe or not. And I'm not giving any facial expressions.
Okay, all right. Well, my maybes are Tattooed Chef and Amazon, but I'll go.
What the fuck?
It's one of
What is tattooed chef?
We talked about it
I
a long
tried
time
so
ago.
hard. I tried so hard.
Oh, I'm gonna lose.
I saw
Alright,
the
alright.
smirk. But, no, but I don't know which one it is. Is it Tattooed Chef or Amazon? I'm gonna go Neo, Microsoft, and Tattooed Chef.
All right, Mike.
I said mine, didn't I?
Neo's in
Oh,
there,
yeah,
I
he
know
did.
it is.
Yeah, I said Tesla,
me?
Neo, GME. Yeah, Tesla, Neo.
Oh,
GME.
yeah, you did.
Let's hear it
No,
go.
mine was Neo, United Reynolds, and Amazon.
Fuck! I got one.
You got one.
I got one as well.
Unlucky
Damn, I thought it was
boys.
Microsoft, dude. Damn it.
I had
No,
So it was Amazon. I
Amazon.
picked the
Amazon's
wrong
just
one.
better value.
I picked the wrong one. It was Amazon. All right, I got 1 point.
All right, fair enough. All right, we're all at one then. Damn, we're good at that.
I'm at 0. Because I didn't go.
All right, Max. Mike, you can start Max off.
You guys know.
All right, Max. Are you ready?
This is where I'm making big money these last 2.
I
You
know. I
don't
have a
know
feeling.
me.
All right, Max. I got you down. Oh, I'm probably gonna get. I'll get one of them maybe, but
Wait, do I
not the
make
other
no
two.
facial expressions? Because I was
Yeah,
No
yeah,
facial
yeah, yeah,
expressions.
Max,
Alright.
Max, go like this. There you go.
Okay, so for Max, I have also GME, Southwest, and Penn National Gaming.
Oh, I don't have any of those.
Mm-mm.
I don't have any of those.
I
Logan,
don't
go ahead.
know Max's stuff.
I've got-
though.
Tesla, Amazon, and Apple.
I don't have any of. I have one of those. Max, for you, my friend, I got Roku, DraftKings, and Tesla.
All right, boys. I have Amazon,
Motherfucker, dude.
Tesla,
Let's go!
and Square. Dude,
You know
wasn't
what
Roku,
Square
though?
is?
Penn, yes. Penn and Roku were so far up on the list, and I put Square ahead of them. I have Square in my Roth IRA.
I got 2 for that one. I got
I
Tesla and
only got
Amazon.
one, bro.
Mike?
Dude,
Oh, now Logan's ahead.
Max.
DraftKings
I-
as well was up there. I was
Max,
Mike, did
in
you
my
get none?
maybe, in my maybe, no, I had Tesla, but in my maybe I had Amazon, so I could have got 2, but damn it.
yeah.
And
That
Max,
was
I
really
also-
good guesses.
So
I
wait,
also
Jared,
had
me and you
Virgin
were tied.
Galactic.
Mike has
I also
1,
had
Max
Virgin
has 1.
Galactic, Max.
I've also looked at that one too, but I was like, come on, what are they? I don't know.
Wait,
No.
hold on.
I
So
feel like I know.
no, I only
Jared's.
got one of those because Amazon was in the maybe section, so I only got one of those.
Yeah, I did Amazon, Tesla, Square.
Fuck me.
Okay.
So what are
I
those
only have
for?
2 points. I have 2 points.
I've got 2.
One.
Oh, so Jared, if I get one, you lose.
Mike, those were good. Those were-
Oh,
I
bro,
can't-
you guys,
they were
it's like
still
I have
so
a
close.
free point though, so Logan's gonna win.
All right, let's go then. I'll start with Jared's. I'm
Or
thinking
should I? Oh,
because he creams his pants every time he talks about this
Yes,
one.
he does.
Has to be eBay. He
Oh,
also
I
creams his
didn't think about
pants
them.
about United Reynolds, and then Amazon's just a given.
What the fuck? I
That's
did
some
the same
different
exact
ones.
ones.
No, you did not. No, you did not. eBay.
Oh shit, he did.
It was the same exact ones.
Wait,
So
can you do it?
I took a bit of a different route on the last two. I also said United Reynolds, but then for the other two, I put down Facebook and PayPal because I remember.
Holy shit, he got all 3. Mike got all 3, bro.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit, Mike got all 3.
Let's go!
Wait, what was it?
It was United Reynolds, Facebook, PayPal.
I thought you didn't like Facebook for some reason.
Oh
Let's
no, I
go.
love Facebook.
He said it's
eBay
totally
isn't
undervalued.
in there. That's fucking bullshit. You did that on purpose.
No.
You did that on purpose because you
No.
knew everyone was.
No.
I've talked
You've been talking
eBay.
about eBay for 2 months straight just for this reason.
You
It's because I hold
fucking cheater.
options in it. That's why. That's why.
Oh my god!
I can't
eBay
believe I
this,
just got.
eBay
I know
that.
Jared like the back of my hand.
Yo,
That's crazy.
Mike just sweep that shit.
All right,
Mike
I
just came in for
got
the
3
dub.
total then. So Mike won with 4.
Mike just won. Holy shit.
Oh, I got.
Let's go. I wasn't even expecting that.
Tesla
No
was in my
shot.
movie.
You didn't do United Reynolds or eBay.
No,
Exactly.
United Reynolds was in there. United
I mean-
Reynolds was in there.
No way you didn't do eBay. You've been talking about eBay for your whole life.
No, I love eBay, but I hold options in eBay. So
United
that's
Reynolds was a total given. Of course, we all
Right.
know that.
Love
But
that
I think you guys don't remember when he said that. He said Facebook is totally undervalued. He said that
You
a
said
couple
Amazon
weeks ago.
is too.
Well, Amazon is, but I'm not buying a $3,000 stock.
You said money wasn't a damn issue.
I know.
you.
I know. But no, but
Manipulative.
everyone picked Amazon, dude. I wanted to be different from the bunch. Come on.
And then PayPal was a bit of a stab, but
forgot
I
about
knew you had
PayPal.
talked about it before, and I knew that you really
Mike,
liked
I think I did an evaluation with you while you were.
On
It was
PayPal, no,
wasn't
Square.
it?
No, it was Square.
Insider
Oh, okay.
info. Oh shit.
No, we did Square
You
together.
asked if I knew what Square was? Fuck you. Yeah, I know what Square is. And I picked it because I think that's like that's where the world's moving. But you know what? I guess I'm just you guys. So I guess we'll just do that.
Wait, so Logan, how many points did you get? 3? Did you get
I
3?
got all
Logan?
3 of them.
I got 3. Total.
got 3
I got
points.
2.
Max,
2
how
for
many did you
Max,
get?
1 for
got 2.
Jared.
Mike, you had what? 4 or 5?
Because Michael decided to pick world's worst stocks ever.
Wait, what were Mike's again?
Fucking bullshit. That's what they were.
Bitcoin, Tesla, and Google.
What are the most
Fucking
expensive
bullshit.
stocks? I want those.
Right, literally. You kind of like threw him off when you said if they went to 0, which ones would you buy?
Yeah, I
those
guess I
are
did.
like the most
You
expensive.
did throw me off a little there because I was like, oh my gosh, I would have totally invested in these companies if I had like
Yeah.
the initial chance to.
Mike
Yeah.
did
Of
it
course.
based on where they're at now, and he saw 64K and said, "Yeah, I want that."
Yeah, Bitcoin, dude. Come on.
Yeah, he said, "Yeah, I want that."
Bitcoin is like one of the
not even a
worst
stock, it's a crypto.
investments I would go in if I just had unlimited money.
Oh, that's
It's so volatile. I mean, not right now though. Like at 64K or whatever it's at.
If Bitcoin dipped to like a significant amount, I think if it dipped to $1,000 though, there would be probably be more problematic than it would be
It wouldn't happen.
useful.
And are you kidding me? Yeah. It's almost 100% of its value, real quick. Yeah, buy it.
Damn.
And then let's go back up.
All right, what about hated, real quick? Just real quick, rattle them off. Mike?
I don't know.
Pick
IVR.
I said IVR, bro.
I
Let's-
said Bank of America or whatever the fuck ASO is.
Academy Sports.
I was doing this
IVR.
for testing, but yeah,
That means I
IVR is
win.
the only
That
thing
means I
that's
win. I
really
get the
going
bonus
to-
points. I win.
IVR.
Everyone
said-
was in IVR except for me.
I said Logan, Doge, me.
ETC.
Damn.
I thought ETC
mine
was
is
yours.
Sundial.
Actually, that's up there. Sundial. Forgot about that. You
What's
talked
my
about
What's
that.
my most hated one?
I said GME. Because you weren't happy with.
Very true.
You
No,
weren't
there's
happy with
another
everyone
one that he
buying
really
in on
doesn't
that.
like. No. I feel like I know this. No, he doesn't hate that one. No, he doesn't hate that one.
No,
It's
yes I do. Yes, I
He
do.
said no. Yes, I.
that's the one. That's the specific.
That's not my. Well, what was your guess, Mike?
I mean, I was debating between a few, but it was forgot that I didn't write it down. Obviously, now I'm trying to remember again. But I remember you talked about it. Whenever we would bring it up, you're like, oh, that, or like, I hate that stock or something like that. I can't remember what it was though. I had it in my mind. and I
Sounds like a
forgot it.
stock he doesn't like very much.
Yeah, I don't know if I
Sounds
like
like every
that
single
stock,
one that we
Mike.
brought up. To be honest.
You did say very
Don't
bad
like
things
that.
about Doge at one point.
Dude, even the creators say it's a joke. Like
Yeah. Oh,
the
you don't
founders
like
of Doge said it's a joke.
the thing that you've
Max,
you've
I
made
said
fun
yours
of the
was
most is
Ethereum
IVR
Classic.
and Doge.
I actually totally forgot about that one, but yeah.
Oh, I don't hate IVR. I don't hate IVR because it didn't lose me any money. I
Yeah.
don't
Is that
hate
what we
IVR.
were going for? Okay.
It didn't lose me any money. Yeah, Morgan Stanley lost me money. I'm
Yeah.
down. My option is worthless. Nothing. Zero.
So what is your
Nada.
most hated then?
It's probably any of the fucking investment banks. So yeah, Morgan Stanley.
Goldman.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean they're all
Cyclical.
They're all-
my
they're all
eye.
yeah, they're all fucking dicks. I don't like any bank in general, dude.
True.
I know. I've
All
actually. Side note. I've been trying to figure out what bank to switch to, and every time I'm looking at these big banks, it's like a turnoff because I'm like, these are just huge banks. Their APRs are super low, super dumb. Like I'd rather support like the online banks or something, like the guys who are actually like the fintech companies that are innovating versus these other
PayPal.
guys. Yeah, imagine if PayPal had a bank account, I would go for
Shit
that.
company.
Yeah. Well, I think they are a bank now,
Like a-
kind of.
Checking and
Does Venmo
savings.
own PayPal or the other way around?
PayPal owns Venmo, yeah.
Yeah, dyslexic.
Hold on, so if you guys could own any one of your top 3, which one would it be? Any one of them.
Amazon.
Mike?
I don't want to say Bitcoin because it's too obvious. I'd probably own Google.
Okay, Max?
Amazon.
Yeah, I choose Facebook.
I can't believe Amazon wasn't on there.
Yeah.
Nah.
Or eBay.
Yeah.
That blows my mind.
You know what I was thinking
You've
myself?
been thinking about this game for months. That's why you've been
No.
talking about eBay, just to
Yo,
throw
you
us
know
off.
how eBay's doing Facebook Marketplace?
No?
And they're like doing shipping and everything, and like they're becoming their own e-commerce site. What if Facebook bought out eBay? And that'd be sick.
They already have Facebook Marketplace. Why would they need to buy eBay out?
Well, they already had social media. Why did they already had Messenger? Why'd they have to get WhatsApp? They don't give a fuck, Mike. You think Facebook?
They already
cares?
had Facebook. Why'd they buy Instagram?
Exactly. And I think
This
you know
one's
what's
a bit
funny.
of a stretch, though.
You're a big fat.
You know what's funny? United Rentals is like the face is like wait. Yeah, United Rentals is the Facebook of the industrial industry. They just buy everyone. They just buy. I mean, it's crazy.
You
They
didn't like Facebook as the owner. I thought you didn't like what he was doing.
No, I think Mark Zuckerberg's funny. I know a lot of people don't like Mark Zuckerberg because he's kind of a dick, which he is, and he has a bit of a, he has some problems. He does.
Who doesn't?
Yeah. But no, I don't have a I don't think what he did kicking the president off Facebook was very smart. But
That's actually kind of crazy.
yeah, but so did Twitter.
So did
Jack
everything.
Dorsey. Yeah. Right.
Everyone-
Is he even alive anymore?
Dude, when's the last time you heard the name Trump, actually?
Just
Actually
wait
quite
till
impressive.
he creates his own social media platform like we were saying.
All
He'll
of his
be back.
supporters. I haven't heard anything about Trump or supporters or any of that in a really long time.
Well, yeah, it's because the election's over, and
Yeah, it's just kind of
Blah, blah,
crazy.
blah.
At one point, it was you probably heard it every day.
I mean, wait till election year, and we'll hear it again.
2024.
Yeah,
You saw Dwayne The Rock might run? That'd be sick.
that would be cool.
America's a meme, bro. We're just a big joke right now.
So I'm not
No.
the champ. I bought this at Goodwill today in hopes that I would win, and I didn't win. So
Ship that
Bro,
one.
You just shipped it over
Mike.
to me.
The underdog, bro.
Yeah, 3.
oh damn, he
The
sweeped my
Grand
ass.
Slam, bro.
I don't know about that one. That seems like some little communication beforehand.
Tesla was in there as well.
Insider.
Tesla
Or
was
maybe-
in there as well.
Maybe I was.
Because
just
you had
listening
one, and
very
then you
well.
go, and this one, and this one. I don't know about that one, Mike.
You sent him a text.
That's
Cheater.
tricky. Cheers, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Well,
Believe what you want. I
congratulations,
still
Mike.
won.
Congrats,
Uh,
Mike.
You now have to tell the loser what to do. Who's the loser? I had two.
Oh, I had two.
Oh God.
Oh,
We have two
oh,
losers.
God. Sudden death. Isn't that what the fucking sudden death was for? And then we just rattled them off anyways?
Yeah.
Yeah,
we didn't care.
we good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you both have to do something.
Well, I got Morgan Stanley for you, so that's 3 points to this guy.
Well, I had IVR for you.
But I didn't put IDR.
Whatever you put, I had, bro.
What did I put?
Bro, whatever it was, I put.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it Ethereum Classic? Is it Ethereum
no.
Classic?
It was.
How about this, Jared? I'll kick you out of the room. Max, I'll make you tell me rock, papers, or scissors, and then Jared, I'll kick Max and put you back in the room, and then you tell me rock, papers, or scissors.
Or I'll just take off my earbuds. You don't have to kick me at all.
Cheater. Jared, I hate you. Jared, I hate you.
All
Jared,
right,
I hate
you
you.
ready? Can you hear me?
Hey, whatever you pick, I'm
You're a
just
big,
gonna.
fat, stinky loser, Jared.
Hey, whatever he picks, I'm just gonna say you pick the opposite and you win.
Is it my turn?
No, not yet, Jared. It's
Cheater.
almost.
Is it my turn?
No!
Oh, yeah, get out.
All right, tell me, man.
Go, Max. Go. Just
I'm
go.
gonna pick paper. No,
Okay.
I'm gonna pick.
Max,
I'm
just
picking
pick
paper.
Okay.
I'm picking paper.
All right. Okay, Jared.
Jared.
Okay.
Max, get off.
Wait, I already said it. so
Well,
it
he
doesn't
already
matter.
said
Yeah, it
it.
doesn't matter.
Oh, okay, sorry.
All right, Jared.
Pick wisely.
So rock, paper, scissors.
It's not a
Scissors.
lot of options. Oh, you are dead. He chose rock.
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh.
Loser.
I feel bad. I chose paper. I can't.
I was about to say, my integrity is eating away at
I
me
chose paper.
by watching this.
Well, I guess I'm the big fat loser of the day.
You lost.
Kind of lame. Who picks scissors? What? Who picks scissors? That's
Put in the
lame.
comments what Max has to do. Forfeit.
Paper
Actually,
from
no.
paper hands.
Technically, I didn't lose because the tiebreaker. I won. I picked Morgan Stanley, and you didn't get any.
Yeah, and
So
I picked the
won.
one you picked.
So
So,
the thing is, you
Oh
didn't-
my
you can't
God.
say anything now.
but I did,
I'm
bro.
a
I
winner.
did. Mike, out us out. We're done here.
Everybody in Powerball,
Get us out of here.
All right.
How about, let's just take care of this right now.
I'm
Okay.
kind of scared.
I am too. I feel like he's gonna kick me.
Something's gonna happen. And I don't like it.
I can't do it. I'm not an admin. I was going to kick you from the call, both of you. I just say you're both users.
Loser.
Get us out, Mike. I'm sick of this.
I know.
Yeah, I went too.
All right.
I was a loser. All right.
All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the episode. That was pretty fun. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe so you get notifications of when we upload. Make sure you hit the notification bell. If you're on audio, listening on audio, make sure to follow us on Spotify and Apple Podcasts and make sure to leave us a rating. We're listening. We really appreciate it. And finally, if you want to follow us, you want to talk to us, we're on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. And we are on our new Discord server. It'll be linked in our link tree, so go check that out. You can come and ask us questions and talk with us. We'd love to hear from you.
Oh.
All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the episode. We'll talk to you later.
Dude, that was solid. You did